These are the products that are always on my shelf no matter what, and I have of course emptied multiples of them. So let me take you through it. First up, we have the Carmesi roll-on in the variant Citrus Sea. I also like the Floral Sunset, and I have finished like multiples of these. I've thrown away the bottles sadly, so I only have two with me right now. This is one, this is two, but I also have one in my cupboard right now. There's one in my bag. I always apply this in the morning. I really like these roll-ons. I really like how the smell is subtle but nice. Like usually deodorants are very overpowering and I don't really like that. And I like the variants that are available in this range. So a Carmesi roll-on is always on me. Next in the roll-on category, we have the Chemist at Play AHA roll-on in the shade Aqua. Bottle number 1, bottle 2. Bottle 3, and this is just in the past couple of months because I've already cleaned out my closet once. Bottle 4, and there is one in my cupboard right now. So we have 5 bottles of Chemist at Play roll-on. I apply this at night usually. It's very long lasting. It also has AHA in it, which is perfect for exfoliating. I don't think that it burns my skin or anything like that. I love the smell. It's very long lasting, not sticky, and I love both these deos, and these underarm roll-ons are the only deo sort of thing that I use all the time, every day, morning, night. Next, we have the SPF juice from Faye Beauty. I've already finished 2 tubes of this. This is my 3rd tube. This is my 4th tube. This just looks so good on my skin. I love how it feels, and I have dry skin type. I love how nice glow, moisturizing glow that it gives to my skin. I love using this. It's extremely lightweight. I don't feel like I've applied anything, and I just like to keep this around. So while I'm always testing new sunscreens, and I have a lot of sunscreens and I need to finish them, but I keep this tube just in case someday I just don't want to use my brains and be like, oh, I know this is trustworthy, just let me apply that. So this is why I have always this on my shelf. Next, we have the Bath and Body Works scent. I always have the smaller version of it, and this is what I use every day. So we have one in warm vanilla sugar. I change this according to the seasons, so there's not one fragrance, but I always have one of this. Then there is champagne toast. Then there is Waikiki beach coconut, I don't know. And currently I'm using the gingham one, so this is always there in my shelf, in my purse, all the time. This is what I use. I love how long lasting it is, and yeah, I love the fragrances of Bath and Body Works. I think it's not very strong but long lasting, but a nice subtly tint. So for my everyday sprays, I use this. Of course I use a perfume later on. Yeah, I put a lot of fragrance things on my body. I like to smell good, so I do use a perfume also, but that keeps on changing. I've not emptied. That depends on the occasion and where I'm going and stuff like that, but this is what I have usually in the fragrance category on me all the time. Man, I really care about smelling good, but I think it's nice, no, to smell good. Anyways, now moving to moisturizer, something which is very important to me. So I have this Max Rich cream in every form and variant possible, always on me. So this is such a thick cream and nice cream, and I am a patient of atopic dermatitis. My skin is atopic, and sometimes I just don't want to do anything. I don't want to apply serum, nothing at all. I'll just put this nice thick cream on my face. If my body is itching, I'll put it on my body. I can just use anywhere on my skin, and it moisturizes my skin very nicely, and it's perfect. So I have one of this is empty. Then I have one small tube which is also empty. Then I have the U variant of it, which is also empty, and I have one in my shelf. So in the current box of empties, I have 4 tubes. Need I say more? Next, also in the moisturizing category, I have Glymax. So this is a lighter version of Max Rich. So either or one of them is there. Currently, I'm obsessed with Max Rich, so I don't have a lot of empties of Glymax. But 1 empty, 2, 3. Like I said, so one of these tubes is always on me. So I also have the mini versions of it that I get. And last but not the least, we have my favorite lip balm. This is what the number of tubes I have right now on me. 3 tubes currently I'm using. So one is on my shelf, one is in my bag, and one is in my other bag, the one with the laptop. So I always have this in always, and I don't know how many tubes of Chaptex I have finished. And this is one lip balm. This one lip balm that just suits me no matter what, and has been my go-to. doesn't cause any irritation, doesn't dry my skin out, stays for a really long time. So I always have not just one but like couple of chapsticks lying around everywhere in my house all the time. Usually all the other skincare products I'm usually trying out, so I don't really have like a one go-to cleanser or a one go-to moisturizer. There are a lot of them that I like and I tend to repurchase, but these are the products that I constantly have on my shelf no matter what. Let me know if you also have any such products that you would always want no matter what around you all the time. Please let me know. I would like to try those out.